Hi guys, Dave here. Today I'm going to make this. If you want to see me make it, stay tuned. I will also have the download of PDF file if you want it in the description. If you notice on the pattern, it's got these little lines right here. You'll need to trim them off. Just follow it all the way across. Okay, here it is all put together, the pattern and everything. And I'm going to cut it out in sections here so we can lay it out on the board. Okay, I cut the pattern in two pieces here. And what I've got here is just a piece of common board. It's 11¼ inches wide and it's 4 foot long. It should make two of them, but this one's got a big notch. You might have to, this one's got a knot in it, so I want to cut around that, but I'll make at least one out of this. Okay, I'm going to use some spray adhesive on it. Let's turn our pattern over on the other side. Spread a little bit on the board. I'll stick the other one on here and let's let it set for about an hour. Okay, I've taped up some of the areas that I don't want to paint black, but the rest of it here I'm going to paint black. Okay guys, here it is finished up. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm no artist or nothing, but it looks like a cat. My cat, I don't think she knows what to think about it. But as always, thanks for watching, and I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas.